Maybe your lane today feels narrow, maybe it feels quiet, maybe it feels too slow compared to others racing ahead, but your lane is enough. Your pace is enough. Your destination is enough. The journey isn't about being the fastest, it's about being faithful. And when you stay on your lane with patience, courage, and trust, you discover that the road itself becomes your teacher. So today, I remind myself, and maybe this reminder is also for you, don't give up your lane. Don't abandon your pace.